ここばい花緑。まずは博多名物水炊きば食おうや。
いらっしゃいませ。ありがとうございます。
どげんやった。鈴木さん、口で歌ね。
ええ、さすが水炊きの本場ですね。醤油だしの鍋はよく食べてたんですが、鶏のだし汁で炊いた鍋を食べたのは初めてです。
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make a Hanamidori Mizutaki that Kiryu had in Yakuza 5. But first, what is Mizutaki? Mizutaki means water cooking. It is a chicken hot pot dish that originates from the Kyushu area of Japan, and Hakata style is famous for its cloudy white chicken soup, and also good for skin. By the way, for the rest of Japan, Kansai style is more commonly seen on the menu, which use kombu stock for soup base instead of chicken. So let's start with making the stock. First of all, put the chicken bone in cold water and turn on low heat until it boils. This process takes about 30 minutes. It can make the stock look nice and remove any bad smell. You can see a lot of scum are coming out. Once it's boiled, turn off the heat and drain them out. Rinse through the bone and clean the pots if there's any scum stick on the side. Then add about 4 liters of water, turn on high heat. Once it's boiled, reduce to medium heat, put the lid on and leave it for 3 hours. Now, let's prepare the chicken meatball when the stock is boiling. Put about 200 grams of boneless chicken thigh in a chopper and grind it. Take it out, add a hint of salt and mix it until it looks like sausage meat. I start mixing it with chopstick, but then I remember that actually I have a hand mixer and it does reduce a lot of time and effort. Now it looks good. Then finally chop about 2 inches of leek and put it in a bowl. Also add an egg, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Then mix it well until it looks like sausage meat again. Use 2 spoons to see if it can form a meatball like this. Now the stock is ready. Take away all the bones, then boil the stock again. Put the meatball in it and cook for about 5 minutes. When it's done, we can turn to preparate the veggie and mushroom. First, put halloumi in a bowl and cover with hot water. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Then cut the roots of shimeji mushroom, some leek for about 2 inches long. Make a course on shiitake mushroom. Get a quarter of cabbage. Usually I will use 1 block for hot pot dishes, but the Hakata style use cabbage instead, because it will release less juice than 1 block, so the flavor of stock will not be watery when it's done. Then comes to the hardest part, making a carrot flour. I've tried a few times, but this is the greatest result I can get. Then use a scissor to cut the drumstick into 3 pieces and add a tablespoon of sake to marinate it. Seems everything is ready. Just need to put them in the pot. Until I found something missing. I forgot the tofu. It looks nice and tidy now, so it's good to add the stock into it. Then cover with lid and boil it for about 7 minutes. When the pot is cooking, it's time to prepare ponzu sauce. Usually it should be made with yuzu juice, but I can't find any in the supermarket or the Asian market, so I use lemon instead. Squeeze half a lemon. Mix with 5 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of kombu flavored soy sauce. Then chop some spring onion, and now everything is done. では、いただきます。But this is not the end. We still have some soup left in the pot. I'm gonna use the leftover soup to make zosui, a kind of congee that is made from pre-cooked rice and soup. What I need to do is just put the frozen rice in the pot, then put the lid on and boil for about 5 minutes. Break an egg and mix with a hint of spring onion. Then see if the zosui is ready. Scratch the bottom a bit to make sure that the rice won't burn at the bottom. When the soup is well absorbed, turn the heat off and stir it with egg and spring onion. And done. This is the very best part of the Mizutaki. All the flavor from the chicken and mushroom are in the zosui, and it tastes really good. This is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.